find beam number are missing in plan or schedule. Select plan and select beam number, copy, then go to structural, go to explode text, RBS1, go to here, command name RBS1 for explode text. Here, as per design, here, click here, select text, all text, press enter. Then go to more, color control, change color to must gray. Then select all object, press enter. Then go to structural, click find double numbers, click here. Then select plan, press enter. Use command DQ and long press enter for continue. Click OK. Then go to structural, find missing number, DQ, and press long enter key. Matching complete. Click OK. Then go to more, click color control, sorry, go to filter and modification, select color, select object color gray as 8, command name, select object, press enter, and command name move M enter, P enter, enter, then click F8. Here is missing number, beam number 5 is not in schedule and beam number 17, 9, 24 is not in plan.